Hello friends, my pleasant and humble wishes. Today we are going to discuss about current affairs of June 7, 2021. The first topic is about more antibodies produced by Covishield than Covaxin, says the study. 2 doses of Covishield vaccine produce more antibodies than Covaxin doses. But these were relatively fewer instances of breaking through infection after the latter, reports a study of healthcare workers. A study is being peer reviewed and has been submitted to a journal but appears as a preprint in Meridexvir, an online repository, and is among the few studies of real world effectiveness of vaccine in India. The study by a collective of doctors shows that none of the participants, who were all also doctors and got both doses of vaccines, were ill, and only about 6% tested positive at different points of vaccination schedule. While both vaccines were protective, there were differences in the protection according to the single dose of vaccine. Due to storages, it is easier for people to get a single dose rather than both doses, given that the recommended gap has been extended to as many as 12 weeks for Covishield. For the study, 515 healthcare workers from 13 states and covering 22 cities were evaluated from January to May 2021. Their blood samples were also tested for the presence, quantity of antibodies produced, and levels of specific antibodies that are directed to the spike protein of virus, widely held to be proxy of protein. A single dose of Covishield elected about 10 times the antibodies than Covaxin, whereas the second dose narrowed the gap somewhat, with Covishield triggered antibodies about 6 times that a Covaxin stimulated once, the study found. Contrarily, Covishield shows a good seropositive rate and a 4-fold rise in median antibody titer even after a single dose. Though the spike protein remains the key target of most vaccines, ICMR and Bharat Biotech, the markets of Covaxin, have previously said that being a vaccine made out of an inactive virus, it elicits a broader immune response, meaning antibodies aimed at different parts of the coronavirus to neutralize it. T-cell immunity that is reported to elicit a longer lasting protection wasn't measured in study. While recent studies have shown that most vaccines, including Covaxin and Covishield, have reduced response to some coronavirus variant such as B1617.2 Delta variant, which is the next topic is Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Kerala perform well in school education. Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Kerala have all scored higher than 90% in the Education Ministry Perform Grading Index of 2019-20, which was released on last Sunday. Gujarat dropped from 2nd to 8th rank in the index, while Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are only states which have seen actual regression in score over this period. The index monitors the progress that states and union territories have made in school education with regard to learning outcomes, access and equity, infrastructure and facilities, and governance and management process. Punjab has scored highest score of almost 929 out of 1000, showing a huge jump from 769 last year. The state topped the charts in terms of equity, infrastructure and governance and shared the top spot in the domain of access with Kerala. It also overtook union territories of Chhattisgarh, which have topped both previous editions of the index, but now slid to second place with score of 912. Tamil Nadu has also overtook Kerala with a score of 906, largely driven by improvements in the state educations of governance and management as well as in terms of infrastructural facilities. Gujarat, which has second highest score in previous editions, dropped to 8th place. It is regressed in the key domain of access, which measures enrollment of students in schools and ability to keep them from dropping out, as well as mainstream out of school students. Its progress in other areas also didn't keep pace in other states. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh saw glaring drop in their governance scores, pushing both states to an overall performance that was worse than the previous edition. The new union territory of Ladakh was also included separately for the first time in this edition and has lowest score of just 545 out of 1000. This is the third edition of the index and uses 70 indicators to measure the progress. The next topic is Odisha's forest produce gatherers hit hard. For second year running, forest dwellers across Odisha have deprived of the right price for the non-timber forest produce. that is NTFP gatherers by them. A recent letter of Tribal Development Cooperative Corporation of Odisha Limited, a state government agency which helps procure NTFP from tribals, asked self-help groups and produce groups to deliver sal seeds at cold storage in Sabalpur district from Monday, that is June 7. The Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, that is TriFed, promoted Vandhan Vikas Kendra, which was introduced to create a market for minor forest produce while ensuring MSP, that is minimum supporting price. But it could not perform to its potential at present, it seems. So the next topic is government keen on implementing the labor codes. The 4 labor codes are likely to see the light of day in the couple of months, as Centre is now keen on going ahead with the implementation of these laws, which among others will result in a reduction in the take-home pay of employees and a high provident fund and liabilities of companies. Once this wage code come into force, there will be a significant changes in the way basic pay and the provident fund, that is PF of employees, that are calculated. The Labour Ministry have envisaged implementing the 4 codes on industrial relations, wages, social securities and occupational health, safety and working condition from April 1 to 2021. These 4 labour codes will rationalize 44 central labour law. Under new wages code, allowances are capped at 50%. This means half of the gross pay of an employee would be basic pay. Provident fund contribution is calculated as percentage of basic wage. After implementation of the new codes, the take-home pay of employee would reduce, while the provident fund liabilities of employee would increase in many cases. Many states have not finalized the rules under the 4 codes, but the central government cannot wait forever for state to undergo the rules under these codes. Therefore, there is a planning to implement these codes in a couple of months, as sometimes would have to be given to establish or firms to align with the new laws. So the next news is about state news about Tamil Nadu. The DMK government will strive to make all languages in the 8th schedule of constitution, including Tamil as union government administrative and official language, says the CM. And Stalin appoints Jayaranjans as vice chairperson of Tamil Nadu State Development Policy Council. Along with him, he also named full-time member and 8 part-time members also. In Tamil Nadu coast, an alert have been given after the ship shrinks in Sri Lanka. Intelligence have sounded an alert on possibility of hazardous chemical debris getting washed ashore along Tamil Nadu coast in next few days, following the shrinking of Singapore flagged vessels MX Press Pearl off the Sri Lanka coast on June 2. Hope this video is very useful. I would like to say that our academy WAR, Win and Rule, is coaching students in various exams like NEET, TNPSC, UPSCs, as well as we are tutoring students from class 6 to 12 in all subjects. One-to-one student coaching is also available at students' preferable timing. For further detail, refer the description.